Before you use fenugreek again, stop. What if I told you that the biggest mistake people make with fenugreek is not the ingredient itself, is how they prepare it? I changed one simple step, mix it with one fresh ingredient and one powerful vitamin, and this completely changed my hair growth routine. So if you have been dealing with hair breakage, thinning hair, shedding, or you are simply trying to grow healthier, fuller looking hair, stay with me to the end because the mixing method is the most important part of this recipe. So do not skip ahead, you might miss the step that brings everything together. Hello my beautiful families, welcome back to the channel. If you love natural hair cares, DIY treatments and simple recipes made with affordable ingredients, you are in the right place. Today I am showing you one of my favorite hair growth routine treatments using fenugreek, onion and other ingredients. This recipe is very easy to make and I will show you every step so that you can recreate it at home. So if you are new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bells because I post new natural hair care videos every week. So now let's get started. Our first ingredient is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is packed with proteins, amino acid and plant compounds that help condition the hair, reduce breakage, improve softness and supporting a healthy scalp, making it easy to retain length over time. So I'll be making use of just 1 tablespoon of my fenugreek seed. So the next thing now is to bring a clean pot, transfer it inside my pot because the first step of this recipe is boiling method, meaning the fenugreek seed. So I just transfer it and bring small water to it. Okay, please, while boiling this, do not boil it in a high heat. Secondly, don't boil it very long time, just 7 to 10 minutes is very okay. So I will not show you how to boil it because everyone know how to boil it. I just want to make this video not to be too long. Okay, just transfer it and boil it. After boiling it for some minutes, then off your gas and allow it to cool down. Okay, so now let's move on to our second step of this recipe. The second step is your onion. Make sure you are using purple onion or red onion, okay, because purple and the red onion, they are the same, okay, but don't use white onion for this recipe, please, okay, for better results. So now I'll be making use of 1 medium size of my purple or red onion. Okay, so the next thing now is to peel off the back of the onion. After peeling off the back, I'll go off camera and wash it thoroughly to remove dirty and impurities. Fresh onion is rich in sulfur compounds, which are important for keratin, the main protein in hair. It may help support a healthy scalp environment and strengthen the looking of the hair. Also help to promote faster hair growth, make your hair to feel more thicker, fuller and more healthier. Okay, but when use it consistently. Consistent is the key with this recipe we are preparing today. Okay, so I'll bring my knife to slice it. After slicing it, so the next thing now is to blend it. Yes, blend the onion to extract out the onion juice. What you're looking for right now is the onion juice, not the onion chaff or the residues. We need only the juice for this recipe. So if you don't have blender, then use your grater. After peeling it out, washing it thoroughly, then use your grater to grate it. You don't need to slice it, okay? But if you have blender, then you can go ahead and slice it. If you don't have blender, just use your grater to grate it and use the most tiniest part of your grater so that you can get all the juice of the onion out. Okay, so for those that have blender, if your blender can blend it without adding a little water to it, go ahead and blend it. But if your blender cannot crush it and blend it very smooth, please add a little water. Like for me, I add very tiny water so that my blender can give me that smooth paste. Okay, so after blending it, I bring a bowl and a sheet cloth to strain it out. This part is also very important. Make sure you use something that have very tiny hole to strain it out so that you not have the onion particles inside the juice, so that they will not stuck on your hair. So after straining it out my onion juice, so this is the amount of onion juice I got so far. So you remember the fenugreek water we are boiling, so now it's ready. I boil mine only 7 minutes and allow it to cool down for some minutes. Okay, so after some minutes cooling down, now this is the amount of the fenugreek water I got so far. So I'll be scooping out around 7 to 8 tablespoons of my fenugreek water. Okay, transferring it inside my onion juice. Please make sure you prepare this recipe with this method. Do not go ahead and boil everything together. Okay, prepare it this way because it's more effective, more potent, more powerful, and more faster results than boiling it together. Okay, so now the next thing I just added there is my vitamin E. Vitamin E is also very important in this recipe because vitamin E is known for its antioxidant properties. It helps moisturize the scalp, reduce redness, and protect the hair from everyday environmental damaging, leaving your hair looking softer, shiner, and healthier. Okay, make sure you add vitamin E. Okay, so when those three ingredients are combined, you will get a nourish treatment that help moisturize the scalp, reduce breakage, improve manageability, and support stronger, healthier looking hair. The real secret is not just the ingredient, it's the preparation method and using it consistently. Okay, now fenugreek conditions and strengthen, while onion delivers sulfur compound that supports hair natural structure. Vitamin E deeply moisturize and protect. Together they create one powerful treatment for healthier, fuller, thicker, healthy hair. After mixing these three powerful ingredients together, I transfer it to this my applicator bottle for easy application. So now let me tell you the proper way to use this recipe so that you achieve better results, because this application method matters a whole lot. Okay, please pay close attention so that you can get best results with this recipe, because only this recipe we prepare today is banger. It will definitely help you to solve your hair problems, especially if you are dealing with breakage, shedding, thinning hair. This recipe is for you. Okay, please pay close attention to understand how to use this onion and fenugreek hair growth treatment for better results. So first thing you must do is to shampoo your hair first before you apply this treatment. Okay, this treatment, do not use it on a dirty hair. Then after using it, then go ahead and shampoo your hair. Okay, please shampoo your hair first, and I'll tell you why I choose this method. Okay, so now after shampoo your hair, then apply the treatment on your hair. Make sure you work in session. Okay, then focus on your scalp first and those your problem areas, then work your way through your hair strands. So after applying this on your scalp and your problem areas and your hair strands, the most important part now is to massage your scalp. Make sure you give yourself a gentle scalp massage for 7 to 10 minutes or 5 to 7 minutes. After massaging your scalp, then use your shower cap to cover your hair. If you don't have steamy cap, after covering your hair, you need to allow it to sit for 1 hour. Do not allow this to sit less than 1 hour for better results. Okay, but if you have steamy cap, after covering the hair, then use your steamy cap for 30 to 35 minutes or 40 minutes. Okay, but if you don't have steamy cap, I repeat, do not rinse it out unless it's up to 1 hour on your hair for better results. Okay, so after rinsing it out on your hair, the next step now is to deep condition your hair. After deep condition your hair, then you go ahead and moisturize your hair or do any other thing, maybe like thin rinse or moisturizing your hair. Then you are good to go. If you're serious about growing your hair, solving your hair problems, getting that thicker, fuller hair, you do not need to joke with this treatment. This onion and fenugreek hair growth treatment, they are indeed a game changer. Use it exactly the way I share with you and prepare them exactly the method I also share with you, and believe me, you will never ever regret it. Okay, So how often should you use this treatment? If your goal is to use this treatment to thicken up your hair, stop shedding breakage, and retain more length, I would recommend you to use it once or twice a week. Yes, but remember, healthy hair routines are building through consistent, not overnight result. Okay, just be consistent with this and you see that your hair go achieve. Okay, so now please always do a patch test before using any new DIY treatment. Okay, please avoid applying it to broken or irritating skin. Okay, for storage, please do not store it more than 2 to 3 days in your refrigerator. Okay, and pair this treatment with gentle detangle, regular conditioner, and a balanced date for healthier hair over time. Okay, now listen carefully. Natural hair care is a journey. No single recipe can guarantee dramatical growth, but nourishing your scalp, reducing breakage, and maintaining a consistent routine can help your hair stay healthy and retain more length over time. Bear that in your mind. Okay, so guys, if you find today's recipe helpful, please give this video a very big thumbs up. I would love to hear from you. Have you ever tried fenugreek water mixed with fresh onion juice before? Leave your answer below. Okay, so if you are going to try this recipe, type fenugreek below so that I will know how many people are trying this recipe. Okay, so guys, we are come to end of today's recipe. Please subscribe for more powerful natural hair care recipes. Okay, and share this video with your family and friends so that can help them out there to solve their hair problem and see the fastest and easiest recipe they can use to grow their hair. Okay, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you all on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.